Have you ever had those days when you find yourself just getting from your desk and answering the phone calls from your relatives or friends, or just surfing the web pages just to know that it's noon and you haven't accomplished anything? Well, we all have been there, but if it's a daily occurrence, then you need to take action. Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to talk to you about 5 simple yet effective tips which will help you to increase your productivity. These 5 simple time management tips will help you to increase your productivity whether you are at home or at your office. So let's dive in. Tip number 1. List the time wasters. Start your day with a list of the things that you tend to waste your time on. Keep the list nearby. Whenever you find yourself wasting your time, then add that time waster to that list. You know, friends, it will act as a reminder about the things that you shouldn't allow yourself to do. For example, watching the dog or the cat videos or the funny videos when you should be sending the emails. Now the tip number 2 is hide or uninstall the social media apps. Friends, the research shows that among those who use social media, the average person spends 3.6 hours of the day socializing online. That's quarter of the time you are awake. Imagine what you could do in those extra hours. To keep yourself away from wasting your time, you can simply remove the social networking apps from the home screen of your mobile and also from the toolbar of your computer's browser. By doing so, these apps will not be out of your reach, but this practice can keep you away from checking the updates on impulse. Now the tip number 3 is set daily goals with reminders. Each day comes with new tasks to accomplish. Make it easy for yourself by completing each task, taking life one day at a time. It simply means that, for an example, if you have to submit a huge report next month, then consider what you can do each day to finish it instead of just waiting for the last minute to come. You can also set the reminders just to organize and make sure that you don't miss out on anything. Now here comes the tip number 4. It's complete your most important task first. Friends, it's very easy to start your day with the simple task. It will also give you the feeling of accomplishing something even when you are avoiding your big project. But by the time you are done with your less important task, you are already worn out and you are even more reluctant to start with your priority work. So switch the things up and perform the most important task first. It will be a relief once you are done with it, and the rest of your day will run even more smoothly. Now the 5th and the last tip is stop multitasking. Friends, multitasking is a myth. Even the research shows that humans can't physically multitask. Our brains instead juggle the attention from one task to other task so quick that we are given the illusion we are multitasking. But we are not very efficient at it. If you try to do too many things at the same time, you probably won't be able to complete those tasks to a high standard. Plus, it could take you more time than if you just simply focus on one task at a time. Meaning, you only hinder your productivity by multitasking. So friends, this was all about the 5 simple yet very effective time management tips which will help you to increase your productivity. You can either use one of them or all of them to efficiently manage your time and accomplish your task, thereby increasing your productivity. So see you in my next video. This is Sharayu Sagar, your life and happiness coach. Bye bye. Take care. Namaste.